Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics of this chapter, that is refraction by a convex lens. Our today's topic is refraction by a convex lens. Is our today's topic. In simple words, we have to understand when an object is placed in front of a convex lens, where is image formed, what is the nature of image, what about the size of the image, and what about the orientation of the image. When we make a convex lens, when we draw the diagram of a convex lens, you please check it here. If this is focus and this is double focus, again focus and double focus. Please check it. We can place object in between O and F, optical center and focus. We can place it here. That is position number 1. The position of image, the nature of image, the orientation of the image, it all depends on the position of the object. Where have we placed object? That affects the position of image, the nature of image, the size of image, the orientation of image. So let me check where we can place image. What are the possible positions for an image? In between F and optical center. That is position number 1. This is position number 2, at focus. We can keep object at focus, that is position number 2. We can keep object in between focus and double focus, that is position number 3. Next, we can place object at double focus, position number 4. Object can be placed beyond 2F, that is position number 5. And finally, we can keep object at infinity, that is position number 6. So there are 6 positions, so there are 6 cases. 6 positions, 6 cases. We have to discuss each of them one by one in detail. Let us discuss them in detail one by one. Let us check their different cases now. Let me see case number first. Let us keep the object in between F and 2F. The object is in between F and 2F. Let me follow the 3 principles of refraction. If light incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes through focus. If incident ray passes through focus, after refraction it goes parallel to the principal axis. If incident ray passes through optical center, it does not change its path. I'll follow these principles, okay? Let me see the point of intersection of refracted rays. Let me check that. Incident ray coming parallel to the principal axis, so it has to pass through focus. Look here. So this is the first principle followed by me. The light ray is parallel to the principal axis, it passes through focus. Next, the light ray which passes through is optical center. Okay, look it. It does not change its path. This is the point where refracted rays intersected. This is the point. So image is formed here. Sorry. Please check it. This is the point where refracted rays intersected. So image is formed here. Look at this. When incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, it passes through focus. The incident ray passes through optical center, does not change its path, retrieves its path. This is the path taken by incident ray and the refracted ray. These two refracted rays, they intersected at this point. Where they intersected, image is formed at the same position. So I can write now, when object is placed in between F and 2F. Then remember, image is formed behind 2F dash. Behind 2F dash. Okay, it is an enlarged image. Okay, it is real and inverted image. You can check it there. It is real and inverted. Please check it carefully. Take care of it now. Look at there where image is formed. Please check it. The image formed behind 2F. It is inverted means upside down. It is a real image. Virtual होती तो मैंने dotted structure बनाया होता. ये please check it. ये सारे points आप देखिए जरा. The object is placed in between F and 2F and the image is formed behind 2F. You can check it. So ये हो गया हमारा पहला case when object is placed in between F and 2F. Let us check the second case now. Now case number second, this is a convex lens. Okay. This is optical center. Principal axis is focus, it is double focus. Again focus, double focus. Okay. Now let me keep the object behind 2F. Object is now beyond 2F. Let me see where the image is formed. So the light ray which is parallel to the principal axis has to pass through focus. Okay, and the light ray which passes through focus, then goes parallel to the principal axis. This is point of intersection. So image is formed here. Okay. Remember, when object is placed beyond 2F, image is formed in between F dash and 2F dash. This is smaller image, diminished. इसकी छोटी बनती है, diminished, real or inverted. So the second case, when object is placed beyond 2F. So please check it. Object has been placed beyond 2F. Image is formed in between F dash and 2F dash. The image is smaller than the object and it is real and inverted. Real means we can take this image to screen. We can save this image on a storage device like hard disk, your pen drive, okay, your CD. You can place it there. Inverted means upside down. It is not in erect position as in upside down. Okay, this is case number second. सबसे अहम क्या, you have to follow the principle. The incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. The incident ray which passes through focus goes parallel to the principal. इनको फॉलो करके आपकी डायग्राम एक्यूरेट बनेगी. एंड रिमेंबर, जहां ये इंटरसेक्ट करे वही डायग्राम बनती है. Please check all these points. Let us discuss now case number 3. Let us see case number 3 now. A convex lens, this optical center, principal axis, focus, double focus, again focus, double focus. Okay, let me keep the object at 2f. Okay, when object is placed at 2f, the incident ray which goes parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. Okay, then the light ray which passes through focus goes parallel to the principal axis. ये आप देख सकते हैं, यहां इंटरसेक्ट किया. कहां? Look, when object is placed at 2f, the image is also formed at 2f dash. When object is placed at 2f, image is formed at 2f dash. It is of same size, normal size. It is real and inverted. Please check it. The object is at 2f. The image is also formed at 2f dash. The size of the object and the size of the image is same. The image is real. That's why it's a bold line. It's not dotted. It's a real image. We can save it on a storage device. It is inverted upside down. All these points. Please check it out here. That is case number 3. Okay. Let me discuss next case now. Please. Next one. Now this is an exceptional case if object is placed between F and O. It is between focus and optical center. What happens? The light ray which is parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. Yes. Okay. And the light ray which passes through optical center does not change its path. ये तो ऐसे यहां से कहां ये मीट हो रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं. हाँ, करना क्या है, इस लाइट रे को भी ऐसे प्रोड्यूस करना है. ठीक, ये जो फोकस वाली है इसको भी प्रोड्यूस करना है ऐसे. They intersected here. Here. This is an exceptional case when object is placed between F and O. Image is formed behind object. Image is formed behind object के पीछे बनती है. Enlarged बहुत बड़ी होती है. virtual and erect. अब भी virtual dot ही रहेगा. We cannot take it to our storage device. We cannot send to screen. We cannot save it on storage device. Erect, it is not upside down, सीधे है. So ऐसे आप और भी केस जो इसके बच जाते हैं वो आप कर सकते हैं. That will be a home task, a home assignment. So it is enough for today. Stay blessed. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum.